Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello smart students. Now is English lesson. Anyway, today we are going to learn about word sounds ot and op. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang kosakata yang berbunyi ot dan op. But before we study, let's pray first. Ayo kita baca doa dulu sebelum belajar ya. Now, open your book page 87. Silakan buka buku Ananda di halaman 87. This is page 87. We are going to practice to say those words. Nah, hari ini kita akan berlatih mengucapkan kata-kata ini ya. Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Hot. Hot. Let's say hot. Next, shop. Shop. Let's say shop. Next, dot. Dot. Let's say dot. Next, mop. Mop. Let's say mop. Next, pot. Pot. Let's say pot. Next, top. Top. Let's say top. Next, nut. Nut. Let's say nut. Next, hop. Hop. Let's say hop. Yeah, that word. Now is practice time. Let's practice to say all the words 3 times. Ayo berlatih mengucapkan kata tersebut sebanyak 3 kali. After that, categorize all the words. Which one is sounds odd? Which one is sound op? Ayo, setelah itu mengkelompokkan yang mana kata berbunyi ot dan op. Yeah! Now, let's close our lesson by reciting Kafaratul Majlis. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.